Are you ready to dive into the world of GoHighLevel Communities? Today we'll explore how this incredible feature can help you build a loyal tribe and transform your online business strategy. GoHighLevel Communities isn't just a platform for building connections. It's a powerhouse tool that can elevate your entire online business. At the heart of GoHighLevel is the Communities feature, a dynamic space for fostering meaningful connections. It's more than just a networking tool. It's a hub for collaboration and growth. The interface of GoHighLevel Communities is intuitive and user-friendly. It's designed to help you manage your community, engage with members, and track your growth. But there's even more to discover, especially if you're new to GoHighLevel. Stay tuned to the end where I'll reveal an exclusive resource that can help you supercharge your online presence. I promise it's a game changer. Now let's talk about the core of today's discussion, GoHighLevel Communities. Communities enable you to connect, discuss topics, and learn with your audience. It's about creating a space for engagement and growth. But here's the kicker. Communities are not standalone. They are closely tied to two other powerhouse tools within GoHighLevel. That's right. GoHighLevel Communities isn't just about building a loyal tribe. It's about transforming your entire online business strategy. It seamlessly integrates with the online course component, allowing you to provide your community with valuable courses and resources. Imagine offering exclusive courses to your community members, enhancing their learning experience, and fostering engagement. It's a win-win. But wait, there's more. GoHighLevel Communities also ties into the Affiliate Program Manager, giving you the power to grow your community and business through strategic partnerships. Recruit affiliates, track their performance, and watch your community expand with every successful referral. The synergy between these features is a game changer for digital creators, infopreneurs, and digital agencies. It's about building, engaging, and growing together. And as promised earlier, let's talk about my online growth playbook for GoHighLevel. This comprehensive guide is packed with strategies to supercharge your online presence and business growth. It's tailored to work hand in hand with GoHighLevel features, ensuring you get the most out of your digital journey. And the best thing is it's free. The online growth playbook is available now at the link below and in the description. This playbook includes training as well as a pre-built snapshot you can load right into your HighLevel account. We'll even get you set up with a free trial so you can see if HighLevel is a good fit for you and your business. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more insights, feel free to check out my other videos. I've got a wealth of knowledge to share, and I'm excited to have you on this journey with me. Come, join me with GoHighLevel.